Welcome to the MRO Master Data Management 101 certification course. Chapter 1, Introduction to MRO Master Data. To start, let's explore what MRO Master Data is and why it plays such a pivotal role in your organization. MRO Master Data can be thought of as the DNA of your supply chain, manufacturing, and maintenance processes. It consists of all the detailed information about the indirect materials your company procures, issues, stocks, and receives. This data includes attributes like material number, description, category, material group, and codification, among others. Each of these attributes serves as a specific function, helping to ensure that your materials are managed efficiently across various business operations. Let's break down the attributes mentioned a little more. Material number is a unique identifier that distinguishes one material from another. This number is critical for tracking materials throughout their life cycle, from procurement to use to replenishment. The description provides a clear, concise explanation of what the material is, often including important details like dimensions or material composition. The attributes indicate the values associated with the material like size, type, and materials. The attribute values allow the users to search and select the materials required for their specific use. The material group helps categorize materials based on their characteristics or usage, making it easier to manage large volumes of data. And the valuation class ties the material to specific accounting entries, ensuring that financial transactions related to the material are recorded correctly. MRO Master Data is deeply integrated with other ERP modules such as Material Management, Production Planning, Sales and Distribution, and Warehouse Management. For instance, in the Material Management module, material data is used to plan and execute procurement processes. In the Production Planning module, it supports production planning and scheduling. In the Sales and Distribution module, it enables accurate sales order processing and delivery. And in the Warehouse Management module, it helps manage inventory and warehouse operations. Given its critical role, it's easy to see how errors in MRO master data can have significant consequences. Poor quality data can lead to a wide range of issues, from incorrect procurement orders to production delays, excess inventory, stockouts, and even financial inaccuracies. For example, if the wrong category is entered for a material, it could result in ordering the wrong item, which could either tie up working capital or lead to excessive production downtime. Common errors in MRO master data include inaccurate category assignment, duplicate entries, inconsistent naming conventions, and incorrect attribute values, among other issues. These errors often arise from manual data entry or from a lack of standardized processes. For example, if two different users create records for the same material but use slightly different names or descriptions, it can create confusion and inefficiencies in downstream processes. On the screen, you can see two users have entered the same bearing ball in different ways, making it appear that they are two separate items. This can lead to the item being double stocked or stored in multiple locations, as well as other issues. To prevent these issues, it's important to establish and adhere to best practices for data management, which we'll cover in detail throughout this course.